Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you through how to open a bank account online in the UAE. If you're a UAE resident, over 18 years old, and earning at least 5,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams per month, you can easily apply through the bank's website. You'll also need a UAE mobile number and a few documents ready. Here's how to do it. First, go to the website and click on Apply Now under Accounts.next. Fill in your personal and employment information. Then, upload the required documents and click Submit. That's it. Within one working day, a bank representative will call you back. If all your documents are in order, your account can be opened immediately, and if you've applied for a debit card or checkbook, you'll receive them within 3 to 5 working days after your account is opened. Super quick, super simple. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more useful banking guides.